Uh,
Oh, there's the Doomslayer though. That might be better.
which?
It
Oh, yeah,
has
try that.
73,000. You try it.
Oh, I'll try it.
I'm going to change. Open that talk.
Oh
Orange.
my god, that's amazing. That is
Unlimited.
amazing. Just watch. Look at
Okay.
the.
I'm the
Look at the stream.
Doomslayer. I will rip and tear. Karn Tuck, you have passed the test. You are now a true Doom fan. What does that even mean?
It means rip and tear in the Argentine language.
Karen Tuck?
Car and tuck. Yeah, it means rip
Karen.
and
It's
tear.
Karen.
I know, right?
It's Doomslayer's mom was Karen. Damn.
No,
I
that's
didn't
his
know that.
catchphrase. That's his catchphrase.
Karen. Karen Tuck. He got the trademark Karen Tuck. Whee! Yeah, this AI isn't as good. I don't think. Super shit gun.
Yo.
Death Trap Yo-Yo. What the fuck?
Where? It's
What are you doing? Right. Yo-Yo's 30 damage with a slow reload speed.
Oh my god, that's so much better than I thought it would be. That trap yo-yo, 30 damage with slow reload speed. Super shotgun, 76 damage with a fast reload speed. Your choice. That's amazing.
Knowing you, you would still go Yo-Yo.
Out.
Lawnmower? Oh my god.
Okay, why? Why is this? Chainsaw 46 damage. Alright, I need to come up with the most horrifically stupid thing I can think of. Ah.
Can my friend
got
have
it.
your helmet?
I've got it. I've got it. I've got it.
Nred?
Shut
Nerd?
up.
Nerd. What the fuck? You're very what? What the fuck? Ryan, what have you done to this man? What the fuck?
Nerdcore.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I'm sending this to everyone. Oh my god. Nerdcorpse.
Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh my god.
Nerdcorpse.
Oh, holy fucking shit. Oh my god.
What have you done?
I don't know. Oh, okay.
Oh my god. Well, this is my last message to you.
Regular or oops.
Oh my god, Ryan. What have you done? Are you dead? What? What? Canaan? Fucking, fucking Canaan?
Oh my god.
Don't, fuck. I'm done. I can't even watch anymore.
With your lawnmower.
What? Okay, I have to watch this now. What? But
I said lawn mower.
oh my god, Ryan. No. 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 But he just says the same thing over and over. Jesus, lawnmower, don't. No. 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 Ryan! Oh my god! Oh wait, he doesn't believe in that. Never mind.
Another.
We'll keep
Rocket.
rocket prepared lawnmower. No. Ryan. Rocket prepared yo-yo. No. Ryan. No. Dude, this sounds like a fucking an 8-year-old got onto the site and is chatting with the
Well, my character's better than yours.
rocket propelled yo-yo. Ah.
Oh, ooh.
Condom yo-yo? What the fuck? Commie whacker attacker?
Tommy Whacker's an actual weapon, by the way. We're all communists! Every zombie is a communist waiting to happen. Do your part
it's only a matter of
today!
time.
You're on the war on drugs!
It's only a better time.
I joined
Communism.
the war on drugs. On the side of the drug.
Ryan. Why must you do this? Why must you do this? I'm gonna start singing in a second.
This is a rather strange topic. Why have you decided to take the side of drugs? What made you make this choice? Did you take the proposed decision? Are you a fucking therapist now? Please choose the other side. Be on the right side. Don't be on the side of drugs, please. For your own sake, join us in the table. Thank you for it. Holy fucking shit!
Ryan, no.
Your mom is a lawn mower.
Oh my god! I'm done. Nope. I don't even want to know what he says.